Hello, these are the ingredients for butter chicken or paneer butter masala. So first, these ingredients are basic onion. I am following Kunal Kapoor's. So he has told 50 grams of onion, but I am using 100 grams of onion diced into big chunks, and then 500 grams of tomatoes diced into big chunks. Then along with this tomato and onion, I am going to use bay leaves, and this is cashew around 12 to 14 pieces, cinnamon 2 inches, and cloves 4, garlic around 10, and then this is cardamom, choti ilaichi. I don't have badi ilaichi, whereas he has used badi ilaichi also. Now all these three, I am going to boil it in water with 1 tablespoon of butter. These three around 8 minutes. For tadka, I am going to use a little bit of oil and then along with butter. Oil and butter together. Then the tadka I'll give, this is Kashmiri red chili powder to give the good color, and then I'll add 1 drop of water, not one spoon of water, so that the chili powder will not burn in the butter. Then I'll add kasuri methi. This is the kasuri methi, and then once this is the tadka, when it is fully done, I can add the gravy what I have made out of this. Once this is cooked, I am going to grind it into a puree and nicely sieve it, and then add to the butter seasoned, then cook for some time. Finally, when I finish adding the chicken which is marinated and cooked, I can use the same gravy, or for paneer, once this masala gravy is ready, I can cut cubes of paneer and make paneer butter masala. And then we can add cream, fresh cream available. Here I am using homemade cream, the one which we get it from milk. That's what I have used here. Around 1 big tumbler of water. To that I am adding this onions and then tomatoes and all the ingredients which I had shown. And then I had not added ginger. Now I am going to add ginger. A very small piece of ginger in the boiling, and close the lid. I am adding butter here, around 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it and cook till the tomatoes become mushy and soft. Maybe it may take 5 to 8 minutes. This is almost done. Once it is cooled, I'll put off the gas. Now once it is cooled, I'll remove the bay leaves, the tej patta. Do not grind this, so just remove the tej patta, bay leaves, and then once cooled, strain this after grinding it. Here I had told that strain the puree, but I am not going to strain the puree. Let us see how it comes out. And for the tadka, last time I had not told you to add chilies, chopped ginger and garam masala. So it is now added. First I am going to pour the mustard oil into the pan, and then along with that I'm going to add the butter. I added the butter along with the mustard oil. Then I added green chilies, slit green chilies too, and chopped ginger. Then I'll add Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of water. Then I will crush the kasuri methi and add. Crushed kasuri methi I'm going to add here. I'm going to add the puree. I have not strained it. I'm just adding as it is. And I'll let this gravy cook for 5 minutes in low flame. I think till the oil separates. Paneer butter masala gravy is ready. Now we can add the marinated paneers or chicken.